Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizkyawati from English Education 5A. Now I want to explain about summary of applied linguistics. The three reasons. This chapter is explored why it is impossible to teach all language aspects in any language. Learners are intelligent and creative, so they can make all sorts of mistakes as they think of ways to express which what they were to say. So they start marking it up for reach from the start. Completed and grammar of orientation. We should look positively at how much they have managed to express, not demonstrative them by focus or their mistake on grammar or their mistakes. Pattern grammar, extent of the courage. The pattern grammar talking about the use, practicable, the relationship, likely, collocation. Each of the word of the sentence pair have a different meaning. Building a meaning system, the learning process developed of the learner exploring language for their self. The gap between learning and teaching is measured by the ability linguistic usage and communicate use. English vocabulary and collocation by David Oake. The term collocation in the chapter refers to the phenomenon as a whole. Collocation are rituals to converting lexical item of one or more words, and collocational relations are the semantic, textual, or statistical connected between the contextual word. The chapter describes an into collocation, which can be obtained used to different methodological approach, and then discuss where collocation may sit between the conflict dimension of creative and communicative in English language use. First, a native language and them as an international language branch. Grammatical metaphor and success in academic writing by Geoff Thompson. Grammatical metaphor may be simple, defined as the use of a grammatical form to express a meaning which is different from the meaning that the form originally exports to express. For example, the traditional accounts describe nouns and refer to things and verbs as expressing action and event. It should be stressed that this student has not, of course, such a direct causal link between the term mystery of nominalization and higher grades. Conversation analysis in the language classroom by all concerned. The aim of the chapter has been the determination of the relevant and application of findings from conversation analysis to the teaching of the spoken language in the general and conversational skill, in particular in the language classroom. GA analysis has demonstrated that everyday conversation in orderly and stable recording structure and sequence. It has provided follow-up information for teachers about the structure of talks, which can be easily applied to the teaching of conversation. What is communicative language teaching? Communicative language teaching, or the communicative approach, is an approach to language teaching that embraces interaction as both the means and the only method. Goals of study. According to GLT, the goal of language education is the ability to communicate in the target language. This is in contrast to previous view in which grammatical competence was commonly given to prophecy. Sixth proposition insert of a methodology, applying linguistics to text-based language teaching. In terms of applications, the suggests a methodology which is meaning as control and which are rooted in natural language behavior and which is supplemented but certainly not dominated by instructor and learning. Linguistic and language learning. Linguistic. What is linguistic? Linguistic is defined as the scientific study of language. And language. What is language? Language is a structured system of communication by the human. Language consists of spoken sounds in spoken language or written elements in written language. An overview of applied linguistics. Linguistics by component of language. Phonetic is a branch of linguistics that study how humans make and provide sounds, or in the case of speech language, to the elements aspect of speech. Syntax is the set of rules. Lexics is a term of in linguistics refers to the vocabulary of a language. Semantics is the study of meaning in language. Pragmatic is a subfield of linguistics and semiotics that study how context distribute to meaning. Discourse is a text is the content discourse with meaning that must be related in the sense that they would express only one main idea. Linguistics by study, comparative linguistics, psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, historical linguistics, and theoretical linguistics. Relation between applied linguistics and educational linguistics. Applied linguistics is the professor of educational linguistics. In other words, applied linguistics is wider than educational linguistics, or it is the umbrella of educational linguistics. Theory Spokely and Holt. A deep understanding of language differs a plain in any library curriculum. KLA improve of language skill of writing, reading, speaking, and listening. The other reason, language is mostly learned from experience. Phenomenon of code switching and code missing in English Facebook group. Phenomenon of code switching and code missing has appeared in our daily life as an event or a trend around use. Code switching has been divided into three kinds of code switching. There are inter-existential code switching, intra-existential code switching, and extra-existential code switching. Inter-existential code switching is a change of language occur at a clause or sentence level. Intra-existential code switching is a change of language approach within sentence level. Extra-existential code switching is the insert of a text phrase of a language into a sentence in the other language. Facebook is used a medium of discussion about English grammar and writing difficulty that the low intermediate EFL students have. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.